idea of this technology to use for beneficial purposes, use EMF for beneficial purposes?
Well, because I work with people who are electrically hypersensitive, I'm always looking at ways what will help them. And when I first heard about the PEMF mats, gosh, that was quite a few years ago now. And my initial reaction was, do they really work? So the claims they make, are they valid? And then can electrically hypersensitive people use them because they are so sensitive? And so I actually got an iMRS or an MRS 2000, I can't remember which one. And the first test I did was with myself, and it was looking at my blood. And I remember, doing a live blood analysis, putting a drop of blood under a microscope and looking at it and seeing how the cells, fit together and whether they're clumping and that sort of thing. And I remember sort of being a bit surprised about how unhealthy my blood looked when I was in a electromagnetically clean environment. But then I did a 10-minute session on the mat, and a very low setting. And I looked at my blood immediately after, and it was single cells, free flowing, really healthy looking blood. And I realized that first time I did my blood, when, first prick of my finger, I had been working on a computer. So I had been exposed not to the microwaves, but certainly to the keyboard and to the electromagnetic pollution coming from my computer. And I remember the next day I thought, okay, I'm going to do a really careful experiment. And my home is electromagnetically clean and my lab is electromagnetically clean. And so I did it again. And then I actually deliberately exposed myself to things. And so when I expose myself to Wi-Fi or to a cordless phone or a cell phone, within 10 minutes, every single cell in my blood is sticking together in rouleau formation. So one of the things I can say is that by exposing yourself to PEMF technology, you will improve your circulation. And I actually recommend for people, if you're on a computer all day, at the end of the day, do a 10, 20, 30-minute treatment on a PEMF device and get yourself, recharged in a positive way rather